This semester we are challenged to provide access to clean water. Today we will propose a few designs, but before we get into it, we'd like to discuss about our criteria for this project. We believe that the design criteria are the principles of how we should model our design. We've listed 5 criteria. 1. Cost. 2. Energy efficiency. 3. Attainability. 4. Effectiveness. 5. Safety.
My design is an ocean water desalination plant that uses forward osmosis process. This will be built in the city near the sea. There will be a screen wall that prevents sea creatures from entering the plant. As the ocean water enters, it will pass through a semi-permeable membrane that extracts fresh water from the sea. Then it will flow to another area which will further desalinate the fresh water that will be good for the human use.
Is a hand-sized taplet, which is a potential water desalination method by attracting the salt ions and which separates them from the water. Inside the taplet, I will make use of the battery's polarity to attract the salt ions. Will be thrown in any bodies of water in which the taplet will float. Once the salt ions accumulated, it will be collected and disposed of, and thus produce a desalinated water.
Ultraviolet water purification is the most effective method for disinfecting viruses, bacteria, and parasites from the water. Disinfecting your water with ultraviolet light is exceptionally simple, effective, and environmentally friendly. UV systems destroy 99.99% of harmful microorganisms without adding chemicals or changing your water's taste or odor. UV rays penetrate harmful pathogens in the water and destroy illness-causing microorganisms by attacking their genetic core. This is extremely efficient in eliminating their ability to reproduce.
So my design is filtering sweat. It begins with the extraction of sweat made possible by the spin dryer. Then the sweat flows through a pipe and is directed into a container. Once the container is full enough, we can allow the water to pass through so that it could reach the hydraulic pressure generator. The cords assembled to the treadmills will generate the minimal energy for the pressure generator to strive on, which is enough for the filtration process of forward osmosis.
A membrane is used in wastewater and desalination treatments to remove undesirable contaminants, such as dissolved solids. A way to enhance this special component is to double its size to allow more water to pass freely. Another way is to change the old material into a better one, such as graphene, to require less pressure to pump water.
In our evaluation matrix, the rating of our designs are on a scale from 1 through 10. If the production and manufacturing was too costly, the rating would be lower. If the energy consumption decreases, the rating would be higher. In the end, we came to a conclusion that desalination by forward osmosis and water pipeline renovation may be the best way to target the costliness of today's desalination process.